Oh yeah, I forgot. It's the time for take caring of the parrots. I mean the just parrots. Whatever. Guys, there are mistakes in the video, but the video is coming along perfectly. Whatever. Alright, let's continue with the puppet show. Okay, I am awake. Let me wake everyone up. Wake up, everybody! Wake up! What is it now? What is it? Yeah, it's the time for take caring of the just parrots. Oh, there they are. Okay, I understand. We have to take the just parrots. I mean, you have to take care the just parrots, whatever. Okay, now I'm awake. You're awake. Then we have to wake everyone up, so that we can get extra help of take caring the chef's parrots and protecting them, whatever. We will wake up Hanumanji, we will wake up the baby deer, our friend, and the kangaroo. Oh my god, how did the grumpy tiger go over there? I think it climbed because tigers like me have sharp claws. Let me just sit here for a second. Okay, now let's shout together. Okay, everybody, let's shout that wake up everyone at 3, 2, 1. Go! Wake up everyone! What is it now? Oh, you're in the way. You're not giving me space to sit. Oops, sorry. I'll sit near our friend the big kangaroo. I mean the big deer. And let me shift a little bit. Oh look, the baby deer, our friend, the other friend of ours are waking up. What happened now? Did you forget we have to take care of the chef's parrots? Oh yeah, I forgot about them. Okay, let me just sit right here because I'll balance and sit. What's going on over here? Have you forgotten too if I... What? I don't know how to pronounce that. Now I know. If I have to tell you everyone about taking caring of the chef's parrots over there, first the big kangaroo, our friend, told us. Let me sit back to my place. Oh yeah, I forgot about them. Everyone are here after me and the big kangaroo. We both are friends. Waking up. After we waking up, we see you three saying, I forgot about the chef's parrots. Oh yeah, I also. Okay. Enough funny stuff. Now the serious stuff like take caring of the chef's parrots. Come on everyone, don't be lazy. Let's take care of the chef's parrots over there behind the channel. Okay. Come on, let's go. Ouch. Ouch, that hurts a lot. Oh, Mr. Kangaroo, our friend, can you help me take a ride on your back? Of course. Come on, hop on. Okay. Oh, I cannot sit. Oh, I think someone was calling. No, it must be the unknown number. Oh, alright, I trust you. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, alright.